Gaining weight and haven't had a taco. Oh, you shouldn't eat bread. You shouldn't eat bread. I know that. I'm pressed. Hey guys, so I'm refilming my intro. I don't know if I already included it or not, but just letting you guys know my struggle. I have gained since my keto journey video. I haven't even had one taco. I'm gaining weight and haven't had a taco. I'm stressed. Like, I'm pressed. No tacos, not a tortilla. Okay, tortillas, rice, potatoes. Those are my things. I've had none, but I've gained. Why? Just my luck. If you don't do the work, then you don't get the outcome. You know, this is what happens. So if your head is going like this, it's not you, it's my camera. You know, I'm just trying to figure out. Why. No, I already know why. I just figured I wasn't eating, I wasn't eating totally off. All the keto snacks though, I have gone in. Those high key cookies, those chocolate chip cookies, y'all, them damn things are expensive and dangerous. Okay, they're good. So link in the description if you want to try them, if you have more discipline than me. Just like with tortillas, I already know I cannot even have low carb tortillas. Why? Because I'm so addicted. So tortillas are out of my life. I have to find other options. I'm not a bread lover. That's why everybody on my bread video, that keto bread video, like, oh, you shouldn't eat bread. You shouldn't eat bread. I know that. I don't eat bread. I don't even like it. Okay? I just got it to show you guys. I said on the video, I already have a grain intolerance, and I was taking one for the team. That was for you guys, not for me. My struggle is not bread, honey. My struggle, rice, tortillas, potatoes. Okay, and I stay away from them like the plague. Also, I have an issue with tracking. I'm using between MyFitnessPal and Carb Manager. They give me two total different amounts of macros. I don't really know what to go by. Oh, sweeteners. Those the Torani, the Crystal Light, those sparkling ices. They taste so good, but I just can't have them. I have to have them in like small amounts, and once a day for me is a small amount because I'll have it with every meal. And I'm gonna do this challenge. I won't be having them, so this is going to be interesting. I have to get myself back on the ball. I have to find other ways to get fats. I do not like cheese, but I've been going cheese crazy because it's an easy way to get a lot of fat, just in no carbs or little carbs. So I've been literally like cheesing it up. Everything has had cheese in it, and if you know me, you know sis don't mess with cheese. But here I am, clogged up, frustrated. And also I did check my blood sugar because I am type 2 diabetic, and I'll put it on the screen right here. My blood sugar was around 150 today, which isn't horrible for me to have been off plan for so long, because let me tell you, it has been in the 2s. It has been more than that. I'm embarrassed to say, but I have struggled. But with keto, even when I go off plan sometimes, it's just my blood sugar has improved drastically. But what I am doing, I am aiming to do better, to lower it, to actually hit the ground running. But yeah, I have been struggling with consistency, struggling with meal prepping, struggling with a few other things. So part of my struggles, aside from consistency, is what I'm not consistent in. I haven't been consistently taking my supplements. I have no gallbladder, which means I need to be drinking a lot of water. I need to be taking my Bile supplements after each meal, my super enzymes after each meal, consistently drink my apple cider vinegar, take my turmeric, all those things. Man, when I started keto, Those things were helping me so much, because you can get constipated on keto. It's just a fact. Even though you're not eating starchy carbs and things like that. So that's an issue. Like I said, tracking is an issue. I don't even know what amount of macros to go by, because I'm getting 2 different amounts. So what I'm going to do is just choose one and roll with it. Then my scale. Okay, I told you guys in my keto journey video how I wasn't, I was at a certain weight. I had hit that weight. I exceeded all the scale amounts, but I've since dropped. And I used to take my weight at the doctor's office, but I stopped doing that seeing that physical therapist. So, and I would go to the gym, and then I had a home scale. Well, my home scale wasn't digital. It was one of those windy ones, whatever you call them. And then the gym scale was the traditional one you push over. And then the doctor scale was the digital. Now, what I was doing was only calculating using my weight from the doctor. I figured that scale was more accurate. Well, now I've been at home. I didn't have my gym membership for a while. So since I've been at home, I'm using the other scale, which is like always showing a higher weight. So that is an issue that I'm having, because it's messing with my head. And then, so what I did, I remember about 3 years ago, I had a Weight Watchers scale. And even though I don't do the Weight Watchers program anymore, I used to love that scale, and I don't know what happened to it. So I found it and I purchased it again, and that's what I'll be taking my weight as. It's showing like an 8-pound difference, because I know Shark Week just passed. Yeah, I succumbed to the all the things, all the snacks. I told you guys, I'm trying to get better, but I'm still in the struggle. This is real life. I'm bringing you guys along for my journey. Hopefully you have ideas. I'm a pretty good cook. That's not the issue, but meal prepping. I'm cooking for videos, but not meal prepping. I'm a big advocate for meal prep. I love meal prepping, but like I said, I'm getting a little tired, a little weighed down. I have a new job I'm preparing for. You know, kids just went back to school a month ago, and my channel is like kicking butt. So I don't know. I just need to prioritize and organize and maybe write things down, schedule. So my consistency, my meal prepping, taking those supplements so I can be regular and not feel so groggy and bogged down. What's another thing? Exercise. Even with, you guys know I have arthritis, and I have, like, this camera's going all different kind of ways, but roll with me here. So even though you guys know I have arthritis and you know, all kind of other issues, medical ailments or what have you, I think it's a morale thing. I think it's a mental thing. So when I do go to the gym, it helps me be consistent. It's my little personal me time. I feel good about myself, even though I'm just walking. I can't do extreme exercises, but it makes me just feel good, and it helps me to be on program and you know, consistent. So I restarted my gym membership, and I will be going back, and so I'll be doing the Clean Keto Challenge in October. If you guys are interested, I'll put a link to the website, actually to the blog that has all the information. She created the program. She adapted it from like Whole30 and Paleo and things like that, and came up with a keto program. There are recipes on there, all kind of things for this challenge. So you can join me for the October challenge, the October Clean Keto Challenge. So if you guys are on Facebook, you can look up Keto Without Your Panties in a Bunch, because that's the name of it. And we are gonna rock this. I'm gonna vlog it. I'm gonna try to vlog every day. If I miss a day, forgive me, but I'm gonna try to check in, show you guys what I ate, and show you guys my weight. And subscribe to the channel Overcoming Emily, because she's also a type 2 diabetic, and she's been testing her blood sugar. She's been doing something called calorie counting keto, and I love that idea because it does hold you accountable for how many calories and everything that you're getting. But like I said, I'm going to go with MyFitnessPal. That's the one I'm going to choose. I've been using that the longest. It's the easiest for me to understand, so I'll do MyFitnessPal. I'm not going to track on any other website or app because I just get too overwhelmed. I'm going to weigh myself on one scale, and I'm going to try to be as consistent as possible. So whether you are in my group or not, join me on this journey. Let's see how much we can lose. Let's, continue to try to get snatched. We don't care that summer's over. We're in this for health and for the long haul. So thanks for watching. Thumbs up. All the information will be in the description box, and have a great day. Bye.